Hey guys, so I finally arrived at Lhasa St Regis resort. I've had like 17 hours on the train, so let me freshen up and show you guys the beautiful room here. Ciao! Hi guys, now I've freshened up with the scarf that I bought from Chaka Salt Lake. Anyway, now I'll show you guys what the room looks like. So let's go! So when we first enter, there are cabinets. Cabinet with hangers, and cabinet with slippers and lock. And more cabinets with my stuff and some more up there, and it's all nicely designed into sort of, I guess, what they call Tibetan style. And the first thing you see is a little like lounge place. I actually ate quite a lot of the fruits because I was really hungry after the train journey. And then there's a large TV and another window, and here is the bedroom area and a study as well. So we got a twin. There will be 3 of us all together in this room, so we're gonna get an extra bed, which is actually not as big as these beds. There's a curtain that divides up the study area. It's pretty. And that's me. Hello! Oh look, isn't it so beautiful, like how they designed the room? I really like the door. And actually, interestingly, you can draw the curtain. I guess it will give a more lovely vibe, like this. And here, we have a 2 nice basin and a huge mirror. And don't you like the painting on this side? The window. And then look, admire the painting. Like a sort of dragon, Chinese porcelain with some fruits. I'm sure it means something prosperous. And a bathtub. I wanted to take a bath, but I thought it might make me a little bit too tired since Qinghai was 3,000 meters above sea level, whereas Lhasa is 3,700 meters above sea level. This is a shower. Just looks alright. And then there's a big mirror. And a bathroom. Nothing special. These doors can be closed. Oh, it's actually not that private because you can see through. Me and my friends will figure it out. Now that I've shown you guys the room, let's go outside and see what the ground looks like. Let's go!